Dumpster diving is a great way to reduce food waste, lessen environmental impact, and of course, save some money. For example, this delightful fish meal comes courtesy of the footage to come. This quick video on how to dumpster dive in Berlin, or anywhere, will show you the approach I use and how to start dumpster diving for food successfully. That's good fish. First of all, is dumpster diving legal? Obviously, this depends on where you live. In 99% of cases, no one's gonna call the cops, no one will yell at you or even care. I mean, there are rare exceptions to that, but it's unlikely. Later in this video, actually, I'll show you what happens when a store employee sees you dumpster diving. Okay, what to bring dumpster diving is fairly simple. First, you'll want some cheap reusable gloves from the hardware store. These cost €2 and, they'll do what they need to do. You don't want to get your good gloves all dirty. You'll want a headlamp or a flashlight. Headlamp is really great because then you have a free hand and it's, on your head. And of course you'll want some garbage bags. Self-explanatory. This is where you put your food in, and that's all you really need. Now with all this, let's get into a live view of what a typical and quick dumpster diving mission looks like for a new location. By the way, please like and subscribe if you enjoy this. It helps with the channel grow, and I'll be doing more weird stuff in the future, so you'll want to see that. Doesn't help that I have a searing headache right now. Oh, wow. Wow, okay, that's easier. Yeah, and these are none for food, hey? Oh yeah, we have a little bit of food here. Oh yeah. Alright, oranges. This stuff. Baked goods. Okay. Other stuff. Oh shit, we have company. If anything, we'll just play it cool. Nice. See, today is the 19th of December, and this is to expire 19th of December. So, take that. Honestly, we're pretty fine with what we've got here. We've got meats, we've got breads. Look at all that kale, spinach. You just want to grab the top layer, and the breads, wash them or just choose carefully. But we're gonna pack this stuff up and we're gonna go home. Just make sure you put the bins back to how they were originally. Don't make a mess. Make sure everything's tidy. Because if you don't, then they're gonna make sure it's harder for you to get to it. So just don't leave a mess. People are fine with it. Alright, so we've got some lettuce, spinach, some fruit and veg. We got 3 packets of fish, still frozen. We've got frozen ground beef, which hasn't even expired yet. That's for the 22nd. Got some cabbages, lettuce rather, bunch of buns, breads, carrots, all in about 5 minutes of work. So, but we're not done yet. We just have to clean all these and then we're pretty much done. Wash. Wash the food thoroughly afterwards. While the things you take out are perfectly good to eat, They've obviously been sitting in a dumpster for a bit, so don't be sketchy. If you carry bolt cutters, dress suspiciously, or act all strange, this really looks like you're doing something other than looting the bins for treats. Be normal and relax. You have nothing to hide. Other things to note, just be respectful. Don't make a mess out of the place your container in. Someone may have to clean it up later, and it'll increase the likelihood of the bins being locked up later. Just go and scout beforehand. Go during the day, look around. Are the bins locked? Are there gates? Is everything accessible? Most of the food you'll get is meats, dairy products, baked goods, fruit, and veggies. I still buy things like rice, oats, snacks, and the likes half the time, non-perishables. Though you'll be surprised as to what you find dumpster diving, like candy even. The loot can be far greater than that, but that's what an average loot after 5 minutes looks like. I hope this helped you out, and if you got any questions about how to dumpster dive for food, simply drop a comment down below and I'll be glad to help out. Bye.